Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn about how to upgrade to the latest version of Sage 50. Sage 50 is very intuitive software. It prompts you the moment a new version is available for installation. Note that if you are using the Sage 50 on a server, you should upgrade the Sage 50 on the server first. If you do not get a prompt, you can always click on Service at the top menu bar and select Check for Updates. You have to answer the prompts that appear while installing the upgrade. Whenever you are done with all or some of the steps that we have shown you, please reboot your system to initialize the Sage Pervasive PSQL. Now, try again. Our video on Sage 50. For more specialized assistance, please contact us. Happy accounting!